Constructing a laboratory building with 100% traditional ducted fume hoods can be very challenging on multiple fronts. Chemistry labs need fume hoods so that researchers and students can safely handle hazardous chemicals. But those fume hoods need exhaust ducts and airflow control valves and exhaust fans to make them actually work correctly and safely. And then the labs with many ducted hoods will need even more supply air, requiring larger air handling units, boilers, chillers, and cooling towers to pre-treat all that air and deliver it into the labs. And as a result, both the construction costs and the annual operating costs are very high, predominantly due to the use of ducted fume hoods. And let us not forget, those ducted fume hoods exhaust all that contamination directly to the environment, where many think that, quote, the solution to pollution is dilution, end quote. Well, here at Erlab, we don't feel that way. Using a mixture of filtered and ducted fume hoods can provide a safer environment for much lower costs. In this example, there will be equal amounts of both ducted and filtered hoods. Exhaust ducts will be smaller by reducing the lab's total exhaust air down to the code-required ventilation rate. Exhaust fans are then fewer and smaller. And the supply air ducts will be smaller also, due to less air being exhausted from the building to begin with. Airflow controls are simplified, if not eliminated, and much less costly. Air handling units, boilers, chillers, and cooling towers are all smaller. And the building becomes less expensive to construct and to operate year after year. And last but certainly not least, there is far less contamination exhausted to the environment.